Thank you very much at magandang araw mga kaibigan. Nagbabalik po ang inyong programa Aksyon Central Luzon Special Edition. Ito po si Isani Lopez at of course it's October and pag alam niyo naman pag October it's Fiesta month, no? Di lang ho dito sa atin pati ho sa ibang parte ng mundo. At walang kaiban ho dito sa Clark, lalong-lalo na sa Mimosa dahil meron po silang Fiesta Mimosa. We're going to talk about this, ladies and gentlemen, and many more in this particular segment of ACL. And I would like to introduce my special guest for today. Of course, to my left is the committee, is a member of the committee of the Binibining Mimosa. We have Miss Joyce Pingol. Ma'am, how are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you a candidate or?
Committee, sir.
Committee, okay. And of course, to her left, ladies and gentlemen, is another member of the committee of the Binibining Mimosa. We have Erica Pine.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
So, yeah.
Yes.
And of course, to my right, ladies and gentlemen, the one who is handling Mimosa Pop Idol, Chris Quizon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, and to the right of Mr. Quizon, we have the one handling the talk-off or the culinary showdown, Mr. Reynes Miranda.
Good afternoon.
Okay, sinong gusto magsimula nito? Sa ikapito tayo ngayon, di ba?
Apo, Fiesta Mimosa sa ikapito,
Panalo.
panalo.
Okay, there's a big expectation every time we have a Fiesta Mimosa.
Yes.
What do we have for this year?
For this year po, so unlike before, we have series of events. Now, na-trim down po into 3.
Okay.
Which is the
Major events.
Major events po. So, para makapag-focus po tayo. So, we have the talk-off. It's a culinary showdown, inter-school po. Inter-school competition siya. And then the
Who's invited here? Who's invited dito sa
Actually,
Togo?
sir, we have 11 schools
11 schools
participating
participating,
for this
okay.
event, sir.
Okay.
It's from Tarlac, meron kaming Bulacan din from Pampanga.
Central Luzon wide yan, ha?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
yeah, they can watch us also.
Yes po.
So, yan, Togo yan. Ito ba yung parang manyaman dati?
Yes, sir. Actually, pattern po siya doon. But we change or we shift to a parang resort style naman ako ang talk off ngayon. Kasi ang Manyaman Festival is about Kapampangan cuisine.
Yes.
This one, sir, talk off, it's with the Mimosa lifestyle. On how we deal with the food, how we deal with the, the hotel and restaurant segment na available sa
Parang
market.
resort food, gano'n.
Yes, sir.
So, ano ba yung resort food? Ano bang makikita natin dyan?
Siyempre, sir,
Patitikman din ba yan?
Yes, sir. Siyempre,
Okay.
matitikman yan. Iluluto yan ng mga students po natin na magpa-participate. Bali, iluluto yan na medyo may pagka-distinct yung style kasi hotel style po siya.
So, saan gagawin yan? Ang laki kasi ng Mimosa, di ba?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, simultaneous po siyang gagawin sa Mimosa Recreational Park at saka sa Mimosa Convention Hall.
Okay.
Bali, we prepared 7 categories for this one. Of course, the cookery, paano nila iluluto yung chicken, pasta, pork, beef, and then salad. Of course, we also have the table setting. Of course, sa mga hotel po, nakikita yung mga table setting na gano'n. Magpakikita din po nila yung mga paano po gumawa or mag-fruit and vegetable carving po tayo. Then we also have parang Battle of the Brain, yung quiz challenge po.
Doon?
Food quiz challenge.
Food quiz challenge, meaning yung anong menu? Kung anong menu, yung
kung ano po yung mga trivia
ingredients.
about hotel, restaurant ingredients.
Okay.
So yun, sir.
So, yan ang twist for this year.
Yes.
That's the twist.
That's the twist.
Instead of the regular Kapampangan food or
Kapampangan
what's
food.
available in the region.
Yes, we will also, alam mo naman ngayon, sir, very stiff yung competition. So we make sure na yung we're still on top of the market. That's why we created the event para, sir, ipakita na ang Mimosa, especially sa Clark, especially sa Mimosa, na meron tayong kakaibang pwedeng i-offer sa mga market natin or sa client natin. That's why we gathered these schools to actually have a culinary showdown.
Okay.
It's
that's
a
good.
competition, so best of both worlds. They will merge in one event. That's Talk Off.
Okay. So, ikaw sa marketing ka, di ba?
Yes, sir.
So, pag food, isa sa pinupuntahan dito sa
Yes,
Mimosa.
sir.
So, kaya nyo sinishowcase yung food
Yes,
ng
sir.
resort.
Actually, from our different clients, be it a corporate client, government agencies, ang pinabalikan po talaga is yung food ng Mimosa. Parang one of our trademarks.
Okay.
Yes,
So, anywhere you go sa Mimosa, basta merong kainan, masarap yan.
Yes, sir, definitely.
And of course, sir, in addition to that, syempre, when you say Mimosa, meron tayong touch of Kapampangan.
Yes.
Alam mo naman yung mga Kapampangan, they are known for very delicious food, tsaka yung mga delicacies natin. And Mimosa, tumatak yan sa masarap na Kapampangan yung menu
Cuisine.
natin. But also, we were not just limited to Kapampangan cuisine. We also offer international, oriental, and continental cuisine. And of course, addition to that, the Korean, because we have a lot of Koreans nowadays. Medyo nag-venture kami ngayon sa mga Korean menus.
Marami din Korean restaurants dito sa Mimosa, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Actually, nag-offer na nga kami ng mga Korean food sa restaurant namin.
Kaya nga kung minsan, Kimosa ang tawag sa inyo, di ba?
Madaming Koreano, lalo na sa golf.
Okay. So, when will this be? Itong sa food?
Okay, sir. Bali, it will start on September 28. Mag-start po siya. There will be a lot of activities from cookery to quiz challenge, and then yung awards night will be on the September 29. So we have 11 schools po na magpa-participate. No,
Okay.
sir? We have the Systems Plus College Foundation, the University of the Assumption, the Dominican College of Tarlac, Mabalacat City College, STI Angeles, STI San Fernando, Philippine Women's University Angeles dito sa Pampanga, Philippine Women's University Tarlac, Global Knowledge Academy, Jose C. Feliciano College, at saka yung Guagua National.
Okay, marami-rami yan ha. 11 yan ha. Are you happy that in a way, sinasabi mo, yung academe nag-adjust sila ng mga courses na ino-offer because of what's
Yes,
happening
sir.
in Clark?
Actually,
Diba?
ganyan nga po sir, medyo natutuwa nga kami kapag nag-i-invite kami, isa sa mga inaabangan itong Talk Off. Actually, nagpapa-approve pa sila ng budget
talaga for this one.
for this one. For example, sir, for the next year, ngayon pa lang nagpe-present na din sa board nila.
Pinaghahandaan talaga.
Pinaghahandaan po talaga. Kasi sir, ano po to hindi lang po basta magko-compete sila doon. May mga series of trainings and seminars na ibibigay yung Unilever, yung mga
And
sponsors.
this is also prestigious for the winner, no?
Yes, sir.
Whoever school wins this one, may prestige ng kasali yan, di ba?
Sir.
Okay. O, ikaw, anong hawak mo?
Yung ano po, sir, Mimosa Pop Idol.
Okay.
Yes. Ngayon, sir, season 5 na po kami.
Season 5.
Ang theme po namin this year is OPM po. Yan, naisip po namin na OPM na parang tribute naman dun sa Filipino musicians natin, artists.
Okay.
Tangkilikin natin yung sariling atin.
Pero yung dati nang kinakanta yan, di ba? Walang original na ano dyan, mga kanta.
Wala naman pong mga original.
Wala bang banda dyan? Ganyan.
Live band po kami sa
Yeah.
Grand Finals po. Yan.
Okay, tell me, anong expect natin dito? Meron kayong ito, Pop Idol, merong Binibining
the
Mimosa,
Binibining
meron
Mimosa.
Talk Off. Anong makikita natin within the compound of the Mimosa?
Okay, for 3 days, no, we have series of activities po.
Okay.
So tomorrow, which is September 27 po, we'll have the grand opening. So we'll have the yun nga, at sinama na rin po namin yung Employees Day, of course.
Okay.
Aside from yung Fiesta Mimosa, we made sure that the other employees po, they are involved.
Oo.
Mag-enjoy din.
Mag-e-enjoy
Hindi
din.
lang po yung
Parang
mga
fiesta
opo.
talaga siyang lilitaw.
May palarong
Opo.
Pinoy, may palo sebo.
May mga
It's gonna be a happy day
Fiestang
tomorrow.
Talaga typical
Oo.
fiesta.
Holiday
Pang
po.
May yan, ha?
Yes,
Pang
sir.
May. Pero ginawang September.
Oo.
And then kinagabihan nun, acquaintance party of all.
All the schools, yung mga pop idol, mga binibining Mimosa,
Yes.
we welcome them. May mga simpleng kainan, simpleng chibugan siya, inuman siya, may banda.
Through our concessionaires.
Wow.
Nag-ano po kami na concessionaires from outside. Para hindi lang naman puro food from
Oo. So,
sa other
ano yan?
naman pa.
Food concessionaires yan.
And then, may
Oh.
clothing,
May
different
clothing.
types po. Na
Okay.
i-enjoy talaga lahat ng mga nandito po. And then for second day, we'll have the Grand Parade. Which
Grand
is,
Parade.
iikot po kami dito sa Clark.
Grand ba yan?
Oh,
Dito kayo likwat?
sa Clark po. A while ago, we had the motorcade.
Motorcade.
Umikot
Wow.
naman po kami Angeles.
Outside.
Outside.
Tumabalakad, yes, sir.
And then, yun, start na po ng Talk Off.
Talk
Okay.
And then, kinagabihan, the Pop
Pop
Idol
Idol.
Showdown.
So, ilan ba naman ang ano dyan? Ay, yung kakanta dyan? Yung participants?
Sir, actually nagkaroon kami ng elimination round. 15
Okay.
yung napili. Tapos, na-trim down po sila sa 5.
5.
Ayan, so sa grand finals po, I'm sorry, 6 po yung
Maglalaban.
natira po sa grand finals.
So, may premyo din yan, di ba?
Opo naman, sir.
Sige, may premyo kayo, di ba?
Of course,
Yes,
sir.
of
Actually, more than 100,000 po ang bibigay namin sa mga participants ng Talk Off. Of course, kilala naman po kasi ang Fiesta Mimosa sa pagbibigay ng mga
Pagiging generous when
magiging
it comes
generous
to
po ang
prizes.
Mimosa. Kasi sa mga sponsors din naman na nagbibigay, nagsumusuporta sa amin sa 7th year ng aming event na to.
But I think more than the prizes, I think the experience na
That
makukuha
we
ng
give.
mga participants. Based from my personal experience, kasi I've experienced
Yeah.
She used to
was
be
the,
a
Binibining
candidate of
Mimosa.
Binibining Mimosa.
2007.
Oo nga ba?
And not to mention Mr. Chris
Chris Quezon
Quezon.
is also
Pop
our
Idol,
Pop
yung
Idol
finalist.
2007.
Kakanta ka ba? Oh. May guest team ka ba?
Sa grand
At
finals.
siya rin po ang mag-host.
Okay.
And then for the
So, this is all us doing this together, right?
Yes, sir.
That makes it happier or
Yes, sir.
itong mga events na to.
Definitely.
So, sino bang na-invite niyo na? Sino bang in-expect yung darating pero sa mga schools? Siyempre, yung mga shoppers kailangan nandun dyan.
Yes, sir.
Di ba?
Opo, yung mga, of course, yung mga kasama natin
Mga-
sa mga competition.
Yung businessman dito, business
Yes.
investor
Yes, sir.
siguro.
Opo,
Yung
nandyan din
mga
po.
sila, right?
Mga
Yes.
locators,
Locators.
mga
Invite po
locators from
namin.
CDC, yung ibang hotels
Mga
po, yung
boss
mga guests
from
ng ibang hotels, mga boss po ng CDC,
In-invite na rin po namin.
Dadalhin niyo dito yung mga
Yes.
guests ng ibang
Yes.
hotels, Okay.
mga boss po natin sa CDC, tsaka sa SIAC po, darating po sila to grace the event.
Okay. So, Pampanga or Clark, we're known for the good food, right? Tapos magagaling din tayong mangangawit, di ba? Tapos magaganda mga
Yan,
chicks.
yung mga binibining
Mga
mimosa.
bini-bini, pinagkakaguluhan yan, no? So, ano naman yung expect sa binibining mimosa?
Actually, for Binibining Mimosa, it's one of the sought-after pageant in Central Luzon. Kasi hindi lang siya basta-bastang pageant. Sinasalihan siya ng mga title holders na already. Actually, our first Binibining Mimosa was
Miss
Miss
Kian
Kian Malyari, who happens to be a semi-finalist of Binibining Pilipinas.
Yes.
So, yun po, ganun yung mga nagiging produkto ng Binibining Mimosa talaga. We have our trainings, seminars, and then after the coronation night talaga, yung experience and yung mga skills na natutunan nila yung pinaka-best prize of all talaga.
Okay, so we expect them to do, meron silang talent portion, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, we just had our pre-pageant competition last September 22. So we had our casual wear, sponsored by Mr. Rob Sequia, and then we had our talent portion and the most sought-after swimwear competition. So yun.
So,
From there, we picked the best in casual wear, best in swimwear, and the best in talent.
okay.
And
So,
this coming coronation po, September 29, we'll be crowning the next
dikitan na, no?
Yes, sir.
The next
The
ambassador.
next ambassadors of Mimosa.
That's what it's expected of the winner, that
Yes.
she will be part of the activities that
Yes,
will be...
sir.
Na ma-maximize po namin yung yung reigning. So she'll be
The image
model of Mimosa.
Yes. Okay. Do you want to add anything more to what we've discussed?
Yes, na we actually invite them. No? Actually, this is for free, open to the public, wala po siyang entrance. Kasi may mga ibang mga sa labas ng Clark na sabi mahal daw or what. And this Fiesta Mimosa is actually, kaya nga fiesta siya, it's open to everyone. So, pwede po silang manood ng mga activities na naka-lined up for the 3 days.
Okay. And yung para
Pop
naman sa
Idol, yes.
Pop Idol?
I would just like to invite everyone na this coming Friday, yung pong Mimosa Pop Idol namin, Season 5. Ang theme po natin this year is OPM po. Ayan. For free din po ito, tsaka makikita nyo po talaga yung maglalaban-laban yung magagaling kasi from 15 to 6, ayan po. So matinding labanan po talaga ang mangyayari ngayong Season 5 namin.
Okay. And from America?
Yes, sir. For Binibining Mimosa, we are all inviting you to watch our coronation night on September 29. It will be held at Mimosa Recreational Park, and just like other activities, it will be open for all audience po.
And Joyce?
Nasabi na po.
Oo.
Ayun po, supportahan po natin
Wala
yung Fiesta
yung
Mimosa
mga
7.
sponsors that you wanted to thank.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For sponsors, we would like to thank Pepsi.
Our major
Major
sponsor.
sponsors, Pepsi, Fuji Xerox Philippines.
Clark Development Corporation.
Yes.
Of course.
And Sila as well.
Sila. Also, the Philippine Veterans Bank, People for You, at saka yung mga, Unilever. Siya
Yes.
yung major na nagbigay sa atin ng mga ingredients, lutuan for the talk of, ganon.
And the schools also, plus
Yes.
the participants siguro, dapat din
supported
pasalamatan natin. No? Okay, guys, thank you very much for
Okay,
being with
Thank you,
me
sir.
Thank you very much for having
in the
us
segment.
po.
Thank you.
Okay, yan ho mga kaibigan, we have si Joyce Pingol, tsaka po si Eric, and of course we have Chris Quizon, and of course Reynes Miranda. So be there, dito ho sa Mimosa. Kahit po walang fiesta, Mimosa, punta ho kayo dito. Sapagkat lagi okay naman ang bumisita dito. Babalik po kami.